videoing me? I'm Michael Grudecki, live for the Blizzard of 2011. What we have right now, kids, is a very serious situation. I am trapped in my home. You can see by this snow and how it goes on and on forever. We're running out of food. It's pure pandemonium. We do have water. And even if we run out of water, we got a fully stocked bar, but that's beside the point. You can't live on rum, but thank God I got 4 bottles. It's a scary moment. I hear sirens off in the background. I hear children screaming. We gotta figure out what's happening. And worst of all, we gotta dig the dogs out before they crap in the house. Follow up with me later on today on Yahoo. Follow up with me on Twitter. Follow up with me on Facebook. I'll do my best to keep you informed. Been up all night digging, and I can't get anywhere. See you soon. Live from the Blizzard of 2011.